Hello crafty friends, it's Erica, Scrapdivatwentynine. Welcome back to my channel. I'm coming on today with a project share. I had recently hauled this really cute deer die off of AliExpress. I did pick up this deer die when they had that big sale going on. I found this little deer and I just thought it was absolutely adorable. And I still love the other little deer that I picked up, but this one is another cutie as well. So I want to share with you what this deer looks like. This is the back, if you can see the pieces that it comes with. It does not come with eyes or a nose, so I had to be creative and make my own, and I'll show you what I did. All right, so let's get started. All right, so here is the first little deer that I made, and she is absolutely adorable. I just used the 65-pound weight cardstock that I just recently picked up from Michael's, and then of course I did layer everything twice with 110-pound weight cardstock because I like a sturdy, thick embellishment. That's just me. You don't have to go through that extra step if you don't want to, if you're just gluing it straight down on a project. But for me, I like to have everything sturdy and I like it dimensional, so that is why I do that. I used the googly eyes again, and then I used a little heart die that I had in my stash for the nose. I did draw in the little freckles with a white jelly roll pen. And then I also did some down here on the little body. And I added one of my Pink and Mane small bow dies to her hair. And I think she came out absolutely adorable. I think this is gonna be cute on a project. So this is what the back looks like. It is layered with that heavyweight cardstock. And then my second little girl looks like this. And I used another heart die from my stash for the nose. Again, the googly eyes. I did some coloring. I was thinking that this was going to be the cheeks, and I kind of did that first, and I should have put the eyes down before I did that, but I think she still looks really, really cute. Again, I did the white jelly pen. This one I did add some glitter to the tail and to the antlers. I used the medium-sized Pink and Mane bow die up here. I thought that was really cute. I thought the small one was cute, and then I thought, well, let's try a bigger one and see what it looks like, and I think it looks just as adorable. So I went ahead and did the bigger bow die, and I did draw out this little part right here, like the little mouth. I just did that with a fine tip black ink marker that I have. So I think she's adorable. This is the back, and I could add another layer and kind of cover up the ears and kind of clean it up if I want to, depending on what I'm gonna do with it. But for now, I just left it like that. So she is absolutely adorable, and I like the fact that the eyes move. And I don't know why I have like a little piece of glitter right there. I'll have to get that off, but it'll come off. All right, and then I did make some boys. So here is my first boy that I made, and he's absolutely adorable as well. I did the same thing with the googly eyes, and then I used I had a bow die in my stash, and I used it, it was actually part of a balloon die set that I have. So what I did was I added the bow, and then I took the little piece of the heart that came out of the bow and I made it for the nose. So this little boy has the heart from this little bow, and I think he came out super cute. I didn't really do anything extra on him, no glitter or anything, but absolutely adorable. And then this is the back of this one, super cute. And then this is my last one. I think this one that came out adorable as well. I did a bow tie on this deer. This is a small MFT bow die. I've had this in my stash for a while. I used the same heart that came out of this little bow die right here for the nose. And I think he's super cute. And then what I decided to do was make this one into a Christmas tag. So on the back, I did a to and from. And this is another die that I have in my stash, so I'm able to put this on a gift. I can probably punch the hole right here, or even right here, or even in the antler, and I can dangle it from a gift, and it'll be a super cute gift tag. So I absolutely love this idea as well. All right, this is my project share for today. Thanks for stopping by my channel. Of course, check the description box below if you want more information on today's video. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you guys soon. Bye for now.